From the title, you would have already understood that I'm about to take you along for my Sunday reset routine where I balance a little bit of productivity and a whole lot of self-care. Sundays are all about hitting the refresh button for me, and I found a way to make it feel more enjoyable rather than just adding another task to my to-do list. So grab a cup of coffee, tea, hot chocolate, or whatever makes you feel cozy and join me on my Sunday reset routine where I relax, recharge, and set the vibe for the week ahead. Now I'm about to do my light morning dance workout. In fact, it's not going to be light. I love dance workouts. I love working out in general. I used to be a workout freak back in India 2 years back. Then I came to the UK to pursue my master's, and the excuse that I had was I don't have any time and space to fit in my workouts. And now I decided to break that identity of not working out that I had created in my mind, and I've started working out again. And I'm never planning to quit. So let's go get our workout done. Honestly, I thought of just including a simple dance workout today, but I'm boosted up with energy, so I'm gonna do a little bit more. So I thought, why not do some breathing exercises while enjoying the sunshine? I'm going to do alternate nostril breathing, which is also called as Surya Bedan and Chandra Bedan. So Surya Bedan is nothing but inhaling through your right nostril and exhaling through your left nostril. And Chandra Bedan is when you inhale through your left nostril and exhale it through your right nostril. So all that you need to do is just raise your hand in Vishnu Mudra, otherwise called as gesture of universal balance. So all that you need to do is fold your index and your middle finger. Your thumb is used to close your right nostril. The ring finger and your little finger are used to close your left nostril. If you'd like to join me, then follow along. You need to first bring your breath to the normal pace, and then you can begin with Surya Bedan. Now I'm going to do Chandra Bedan. So we're done with the workout. I'm going to make a light, I wouldn't call it a breakfast, but I like to have something light in the morning. So I prefer having fruits, my green tea or peppermint tea, and maybe sometimes avocados. So probably I'm going to have avocados today. So what I usually do is I cut the avocados into half, and then I sprinkle some salt, a little bit of chaat masala. If you don't know what chaat masala is, it's Indian spices. If you don't want to bother with chaat masala, it's okay, I understand. Just sprinkle some pepper and squeeze a bit of lemon juice. Heavenly. It's just heavenly. I'm going to show you how I do it. Now I'm going to make my green tea. I've heard that these bags have toxins in it. So what I do, I just take the contents out of the bag, pour some water, and then I just filter it before I have it. So I like my green tea with a bit of lemon juice and honey. So my green tea and avocados are ready. I'm going to enjoy them and do my Sunday chores like laundry and cleaning my room. Honestly, I used to never enjoy doing them, but recently I discovered that I have fun listening to music and doing work. so I'm not feeling stressed, and I make sure I finish doing everything within 1 to 2 hours so that I have the rest of the day to myself. Okay, so that clearly is messy, and we are going to clean these. The laundry basket is overflowing, so I'm going to do the laundry right now. So now that the laundry is being done, I thought, why not use this time to do a little bit of planning for the week ahead so that I don't have to stress out on a Monday morning. What I do is I open up my vision board. I have my goal list written down in my journal, so I just have a look at it and basically prioritize the tasks for the week ahead so that I don't get confused and messed up and then end up doing nothing. So this helps me. So I've done planning for the week ahead. I'm just going to quickly call and talk to my parents before I head to shower. Hello! Right, so I finished talking to my parents and now I'm just going to head to shower, have my lunch and relax for a while. Actually, I've started watching this series called Lock and Key and I'm completely enjoying it. So I've just finished the first season and I'm in the second season, so that's what I'm going to be watching this afternoon and probably take a small nap. I've done showering, my skincare and hair care routine, so it's finally time to have lunch and watch some Lock and Key. Maybe I'll chill for the rest of the time and nap for a while. What I usually do is by 6 to 7 p.m. I prepare my dinner and I make some extra so that I can have it tomorrow morning, because no one wants to cook on a Monday morning. And that's it. Maybe I'll go to bed early because I have to wake up early. And yeah, that's my Sunday reset routine actually. So let's go have some lunch and chill.
Is there something new?
Well, yes and no. We're going to have something like a missing person murder. The hard truth is, there is the short window of time when you
Are Jack's parents like secret millionaires or something?
No. I mean, they have some key contributors.
And that's the end of my Sunday reset routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was my first vlog. I have no idea how it was, so please comment below if you enjoyed and what you liked the most. And if you'd like to share some of your routine with me, I'd love to hear them as well. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, I love you all. Bye.